Hey everyone and welcome to my channel Car Info Update. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2024 Ford Mustang. Dark Horses isn't your average pony car. This is a fire-breathing stallion, bred for the track and built to dominate the streets. Performance that pushes the limit. Under the hood, the Dark Horse boasts a monstrous 5.0 liters TVC 8 engine, capable of unleashing up to 500 horsepower and 418 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough to send chills down your spine and make your hair stand on end. This stallion doesn't just gallop, it rockets forward with the fury of a raging storm. Sound of tires screeching as the car accelerates. But the Dark Horse isn't just about raw power, it's about precision and control. The specialty in suspension, Brembo brakes, and optional Magni Ride A registered damping system provide a level of responsiveness and handling that will leave you feeling like a professional driver. This car is an extension of your body, responding to every twitch of the steering wheel and every press of the gas pedal. A design that exudes aggression. Sound of wind rushing by as the car turns a corner. The Dark Horse isn't just a beast under the skin. Its exterior design matches its ferocious personality. Aggressive front fascia, sculpted hood, and sleek lines speak of power and performance. But the Dark Horse isn't just about speed and raw power, it's also about luxury and comfort. The interior features premium materials. 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is more than just a car, it's an experience. It's a symbol of freedom, power, and the thrill of the open road. If you're looking for a car that will ignite your passion and leave you breathless, then the Dark Horse is calling your name. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews and automotive news, and let us know in the comments below what you think of the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Would you dare to tame this beast?